Hi, everybody. It is December 3rd, already the month of Christmas and holiday break. And I am excited today to do this assignment with you. I'm going to show you how to make as many things as you possibly can from circles. So, this assignment is going to require you to go on a little hunt around your house, around your neighborhood, to find different objects that are in the shape of a circle. And then we are going to sketch out our findings. If you are not able to fill up this entire sheet, that's okay, but I want you to try to do your best or challenge yourself to get it filled all the way out, to have something drawn on every single circle. All right, so first of all, I'm going to go on a hunt around my house with you to find some things that are circles. All right. So right now I'm in my dining room and I noticed something that's a circle right above me. And we have a clock. That would be something that you could easily draw on one of your circles. Oh, here's probably the cutest example of a circle I can show you. Here is my little puppy. He went to the groomer and got a very cute haircut. Tucker, come on over. Don't be shy. Tucker. Look at this nice round little circle head. He's so nice and fuzzy. No, I don't have a treat, but sit. Good boy. That would be a very cute little guy to draw in a circle. Thank you, Tucker. All right, moving on. We will go into the living room. And in here I have some holiday decorations where I'm thinking I will probably see some circles. Look at all these ornaments, and a lot of them are circles. Some of them have different designs on them. And we have along the wall, do you see any more circles? Another clock. There's the puppy again. He follows me everywhere. Hi, Tucker. And how about this wreath? It's really decorated with different berries and a bird, but the outer edge of it is a circle. That would definitely be something I could draw. Okay, so there are just a few ideas I found really quickly around my house. You can go in other rooms of your house, your kitchen, maybe you have something in your bedroom. Oh, here's one other thing I was going to show you. This is my big dog's dog food tray. It's really high off the ground because he's a big dog. But each dish is in the shape of a circle. So now I will come back over after I've gotten some ideas, and I can start sketching out some of my findings. So let's think back to all the things we saw. One of the first things I showed you was a clock. And let's try to remember as many details as we can about the clock. There's definitely numbers on a clock. The 12 is always at the top. Straight down from the 12 is 6. And then we have a 3, and straight across from the 3 is the 9. And then in between, we are going to write in the missing numbers. So after 12 comes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. I have all my numbers on there. I can make a dot right in the middle. And then put some hands in there to show what time it is. Something else I saw was a dog food tray. And there was some pieces of dog food in there. Stop. This little dog, I tell you. You might hear him barking over here a little bit. He's trying to get in the big dog's dog food tray. Tucker, you are not going to get in there. It's too tall for you. Don't growl at me, silly goose. Okay, back to business. So here I was drawing my puppy food pieces. Then for this one, I could draw the wreath, which had some sticks around it. And there was a bird. Turn it around so I can see it a little better. You can see I drew a bird, kind of small, so he fits on there. There was also some berries. Anything else you think you would like to add would be great. So I saw 2 clocks, I saw a dog food dish, a wreath, and I saw some ornaments. So maybe I'll turn this one into an ornament with a hook on the top. And then I'm going to use one of the designs that I saw on the ornament, which was some zigzag lines. And then I would like you to color these in using anything you have at home to color with. I have markers and oil pastels, but you might just have colored pencils or crayons. That's fine. Okay, stop. And then what you can do, if you've looked around your house, around your neighborhood, and you run out of things to draw, then I would like you to look at this. You can pause the video and look at this as long as you need to. This gives you lots of examples of different designs that you could draw. Over here it says the drawings on the bottom are things that you have seen or can imagine. So it looks like they turned this one into some kind of a bug. And this one, what does it look like to you? I think it looks like a planet. So they turned all these circles into something that they could imagine. Then over on this side, it says the drawings on the top are doodles, patterns and designs created on your own. So I'll just bring this a little bit closer to the screen. Look at all those different patterns and designs that you could do. Or any other patterns and designs you can think of that are not on here. Okay? So maybe then one of my favorites on here was, I kind of like this one. It's got vertical lines straight up and down, and then it's got horizontal lines straight across. And then in the center of each of those squares, they made a dot. So I'm going to do my best to copy that just like I see it. Straight up and down lines, which are called vertical lines, and straight across lines, which are called horizontal lines. In the center of each of those was a dot. So like I said, if you want to look at this video again to see more designs, you can just pause the video and then pause it and decide which one of these that you want to draw. And then comes a really fun part, the coloring. You can use any colors you want to design them. Make sure you take your time and are nice and neat, because we know when we're nice and neat, that's how our best work turns out. That one doesn't have the best tip on it, so I'm probably not going to use this one. That one's got a better tip. That'll work. Oh, I almost forgot. One of my circles was going to be my puppy that went to the groomer, Tucker. All right, let's see if I can draw myself a little Tucker here. First of all, he's got kind of a triangular shaped little black nose with 2 dots in it. Then from there, he's got a straight line down and a little curved mouth. And then he's got 2 big black or dark brown eyes. He's got some whiskers on both sides. So I'll make a few dots, and out of each of those dots, he'll have a couple whiskers coming out. And he's got some furry triangular ears. The only thing I can do if I want to really make these look furry after I've made both of these triangle shapes is I can go back over the top with my pencil and make very small zigzag lines. Now it's making it look more like it's fur. So using my pencil, I'm just using very short movements, up and down, up and down, up and down. And voila. He's starting to look more like a little Tucker. All right, so remember that I would like you to make sure you color in these shapes. It'll look really nice if they're all colored. And then just make sure you write your name on here somewhere. And when you are finished, you can take a picture and upload it to me on either Seesaw, Class Dojo, or Schoology, whichever your classroom uses. Thank you, and I hope you have fun shape hunting and drawing. Have a good day, boys and girls.